What's up, guys? You guys been asking for this setup and now we got it. Let me show you how we built this table. And I'm not just gonna show you how I built this table, I'm gonna show you how I built this L-shaped table. All the components that we got for our grill setup, for our discada, for our grilling, everything we got in there, I'm gonna reveal the secret to you. Don't go anywhere because this is gonna get really creative. And remember, if you got any questions, you can always post it in the comments.
This setup was never meant for YouTube. I built this table years ago. Just something solid, something that will last. 2x4 frame with 4x4 legs and a 16 gauge steel pan sitting right on top of it. But the real trick is what's inside. 3 bags of topsoil. That's what keeps the heat away from the wood. Then bricks and stone. That is to trap the heat and hold it where it belongs. So when the fire gets hot, the table stays strong. This isn't just a table, it's the foundation of everything I cook. Here is a simple drawing for you to copy or take a picture from your TV, your phone, or whatever you want to use. Just take the picture and use it. What you are about to see is the extension of this table, something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I just didn't have the time. But now we're gonna build it. Again, this is just an extension of something that has already been built. And now, let's go to the video. I hope you enjoyed.
We're gonna need 2 pieces, 30 inches. 30 inches or 2'6", however you wanna call it. Just like that. Got the skill saw. Remember, we need 2 pieces. That makes 2. And we're gonna need 2 pieces. So we need 48 inches. Perfect. I'm not a carpenter and I'm not claiming to be one, so you know, okay? We turn around like this. The legs are gonna go on each corner. We're gonna use it for extension of this one. We're gonna attach this to that. We're gonna place this one in the center right here like this. 36 inches. .36 inches off of this. And I am using galvanized screws, okay? We got 2 pieces. I am leaving an 1/8" gap in here just for the expansion of the wood when it's hot, when it's humid. This is what we're going to use for the legs. For this side. We're going to need 2 pieces, 36 inches long. Pieces. This is really, really nice. Look at this. We have like a kind of like a bar table in here. I can put some stools in here and drink some beer. So now we got a full table. Look at this. L shape. And then we're done in here. Now we got a lot of room in here. Look at this. So all that's left to do is some support, and this table will be done. It's looking really good. I am gonna use this. I'm gonna put it right here, like this. Just to make it look a little bit better. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it turned out really, really good. The nicest part about this setup right here is that you can use 3 different setups. You can use this grill right here. You can use this one. That's where we made the discada, tacos, and all that good stuff in there. And this is our grill. But everything is interchangeable. You can take this out. It's just as simple as this. You take that out, and then we place the grill. Just like that. And these things here, they're not heavy. They're not heavy at all. It's only 10 gauge, guys. It's only 10 gauge. And the expanded metal, that is the diamond plate that is on this surface right here for the grill, is 16 gauge. It's not that thick. It makes it easier for moving around. You can put it right here, take it out, put it to the side, bring your discada, set it right up there. These bricks right here, I just put them there so wind doesn't get underneath too much. That way it'll keep this thing always nice and hot. It's got bricks back in the back. You guys asked me what I use for fuel. This is what I use, okay? I get this from Home Depot or Academy Sports. This is where I get this. I'm not supported by any of this. I'm just showing you what I use, what I like to use. This is a big old lump, and let me show you. Got big old lumps of charcoal. I use hickory wood. This is what I like. It lasts quite a while, and then it gives a really nice flavor to the food. So I use a combination of this and this. I use both. And now that we established how we made this table, how we made this nice setup for our kitchen, now we can start doing some cooking. Now we're gonna treat ourselves with some carne asada. Put these jalapenos in there. we do, we just, oh. This is nice, having a table. Oh wow, look at that. I'm gonna use some of this cilantro. And I'm just gonna put it in there like this. Look at that. Look at this salsa. This is a salsa verde, the avocado salsa. This is really, really good, guys. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Let's get one of this. Look at this. We got a nice pepper with cheese in there. We put some salsa in there. This is really, really good. Guys, tacos de carne asada. Really, really good. All right, people, thank you so much for being here with me today. But this is all I got for you. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.